It's Mikey's cooking corner. Mike, na 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 na. Mikey's cooking corner. Doo, doo. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys. Mike D here. You might be asking yourself, why in the fuck is Mike wearing sunglasses inside? You know, I really couldn't tell you. All I can say is I'm here to show you the fine art of cooking spaghetti. Spaghetti on Mike's cooking corner today. Man, sometimes I just get this urge to cook some spaghetti, and it just makes me want to wiggle my ass. And sometimes I just don't know what to do with myself. So I'm just going to show you guys how I cook my spaghetti, and I'm going to set you up right here today, right there, okay? Right there, don't move. Don't move, stay with me. Now, what I've done today is I have completely and totally pre-cooked my spaghetti noodles. And the spaghetti I'm using today is noodle. And I'm going to, like I said, okay? No, I've completely pre-cooked noodles today because I assume we're not all some stupid fucking third graders, and we all know how to cook noodles. So let me strain these out real quick, and I'll be right back with you, okay? Wiggle your ass if you have to. Cooking corner, Mikey's cooking corner.
It's Mikey's cooking corner, because he's cooking spaghetti on this corner. If you could
Drain this stupid BS, sometimes it's BS when you're doing noodles. Sometimes you're just like, what the fuck? You gotta deal with it. So here I got some strained noodles. That's how we do it down in Brooklyn. Not even from Brooklyn. Alright, so today we're using a sauce. It's called the Juja Sausage Express. I assume it's good because it says Express. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the fine art of stirring pasta sauce. Yeah, pasta. If I could open this stupid fucking jar, then I could... Didn't stand a chance at this match. Okay. I'm going to take you guys over here with me. So here you can see I have my noodles. What I'm going to do here is just evenly spread the sauce. Evenly spread that sauce. Evenly. If you don't do it evenly, you ain't doing shit. Then put the lid on the Juja Sausage Express. And we're going to come over here, and you see all your noodles here. You want to take a fork, stir them up all nice and dementingly. Stir, 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 stir. Usually you guys probably want to see me stir, 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 stir. I'm going to come over here and grab my secret ingredient, which if a motherfucker tries to steal my secret ingredient, guess what? I got gas. So I shoot him. So my secret ingredient is the cheese. And what I do with the cheese is I take the lid and I open it to sift mode. And then I just evenly sift. Because if you ain't evenly sifting, you ain't doing shit. And right there, my friends, is how you make a darn tootin' good thing of pasta. Here we go. This is my favorite part. so good. This is good shit. This is good shit. So remember, always shake your ass.